Right on, right on, right on.
Spikes 2, the dawn effect. The dawn effect, which refers to the natural increase in blood glucose levels that occurs in the early morning hours, 4 a.m. to 8 a.m., is primarily driven by the body's circadian rhythm, the internal biological processes that operate on a roughly 24-hour cycle that correspond to the day-night cycle of Earth's rotation. The circadian rhythm is controlled primarily by the hypothalamus, which is located below the thalamus and above the brainstem. It plays a critical role in regulating many vital functions and in maintaining homeostasis. The hypothalamus plays a crucial role by regulating the release of hormones that work together to stabilize the release of glucose into the blood, as well as regulating the body's circadian rhythm, both active during the dawn effect. More about the hypothalamus in another video. In the early morning hours, hormones are released by the hypothalamus that stimulate the release of hormones from the pancreas, pituitary, and adrenal glands. It is thought that the reaction is a consequence of lowered blood glucose, which causes stress. Glucagon is released from the alpha cells in the pancreas. HGH and ACTH are released from the pituitary, and adrenaline and cortisol are released from the adrenal glands. All of these hormones are directed to the liver for the purpose of creating or releasing glucose into the blood, to restore the blood sugar balance, which in turn triggers the beta cells in the pancreas to release insulin to ensure that levels don't get too high. So during the night, blood glucose levels go down gradually. As a result of this fasting state, the body feels the stress and acts to manufacture needed glucose to restore balance, which is then checked by insulin. Those of us who are on a low-carb way of eating will experience gluconeogenesis. During gluconeogenesis, the liver and kidneys produce glucose from non-carb sources, such as amino acids and glycerol. Blood glucose levels typically remain relatively stable after eating and do not experience a rapid increase in glucose. Instead, the body slowly and steadily releases glucose from glycogen stores in the liver and muscles. The dawn effect is primarily driven by the body's natural circadian rhythms and hormonal fluctuations. Thanks for watching.